Hi there, I'm Juan, and we're here at Huck Cycles where they are manufacturing electric motorcycles here in the USA. One of the most important components of an electric motorbike is the frame. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the weld check software package inside the ZEISS Quality Suite to check the quality of the welds on the frame. So now, let's take it and make it. Defective welds can result in damaged parts, or in the worst case, the failure of the entire welded structure. Therefore, it is imperative for the rider's safety that these welds are done correctly. Manual inspection methods such as calipers and measuring tapes are still frequently used for weld inspection. However, these methods can be time-consuming and may not give repeatable or accurate results. That is why we are using the ZEISS T-SCAN Hawk 2 to measure the frame and use our software to automatically inspect these welds. Our goal now is to scan each of the welds, classify them according to the appropriate standards, and make sure they are correct. We complete the entire scanning process with our inspection software inside the ZEISS Quality Suite. Once we have the necessary areas on the part scanned, we can begin using the weld check package in our software. A simple curve is used in the software to select the welded areas to be inspected. Then, several section cuts can be created. In this example, we will create equidistant sections every 10 millimeters along the curve. These sections of the motorcycle frame can now be evaluated with the new add-on function, Weld Check. All characteristics of the DIN standard 5817 are automatically built into the inspection package and can be easily inspected with a single mouse click. Additionally, the weld measurements are classified directly according to the corresponding rating categories, B, C, or D. With the help of an intuitive traffic light system, it is possible to see at a glance whether the rating categories are met. Green means fulfilled, yellow indicates that it is just within the tolerance, and red does not meet the criteria. Now, we can easily see that all of the welds on this frame are correct, and that we won't see any failures. Once we have the scan data, we can also easily check the other dimensions, angles, and geometries of the frame to ensure that the next steps of the build process will go smoothly. For more how-tos, getting started videos, or maker portraits, including a profile of Huck Cycles, or if you have any questions about 3D scanning in general, please visit us at handsonmetrology.com. You will find the link in the information section of this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.